Hello, greetings. I said that in my previous video on YouTube, which I have uploaded, that I will continue with Zed's case, the adopted son of Prophet Muhammad. Makes me feel kind of sick saying this. So I was going through manipulators, and this thing came, this word favor, on the Time on a web Time article. It's a Time article from time.com dash delivered. So the word came out, this favor thing on favor, someone giving you a favor. It's normal to reciprocate favors. But even when someone does one insincerely, we often still feel compelled to reciprocate and comply. So it's on manipulation. I've had a problem when I was a Shia Muslim reading this verse on Zed in the Quran. How could we were told that Muhammad doesn't go against the Shia, especially his infallibility and taking Surah Najm cases. So I will not be able to upload documentations and all, documents or anything. This is just a simple audio. My health is not good. Yesterday I had very little